Let's talk about the primary market. Blue Jet Health, the IPO has opened for subscription. The book build issue will remain open for bidding up until 27. So let me take it across to Srishti, find out what to expect.
Opens today until 27th of October. Investors have a chance to invest in this particular IPO. This IPO has an issue size of 840 crores, which is completely offer for sale. So no money is coming into the company, but promoters are offloading stake. And the price band is between 329 to 346 rupees. At this upper price band, the implied market cap is expected to be around 6,000 crores. Yet to see post the listing. But let's talk about the company. That's almost a 5-decade-old company. And talking about their divisions, then the biggest contributor in their top line is contract media intermediaries. That is the CDMO business, which contributes around 70%. And interesting to note, because they are quite a niche player in this segment, because they are into contrast media intermediaries, which are used into CT scans and MRIs. The second biggest contributor is high-intensity sweeteners, which contributes around 25% in the top line. And once again, they were the first manufacturers of saccharin and its salts, that is artificial sweeteners, in India. Their pharma intermediaries and API contributes around 4.7% into the top line. But talking about their client relationships, so they hold quite a good clientele in terms of the big names in their space, as well as the contracts are quite long term. And lastly, onto their financials, if we talk about the last 4-year revenue CAGR, that's close to 4%, but in the last 3 years we have seen a substantial jump on a year-on-year basis when it comes to the revenue as well as in the bottom line. But lastly, when it comes to the valuations, then there doesn't seem to be much headroom when we compare it with its peers. Definitely there is no direct peer considering their niche product profile, but comparing it with Divi's Lab, JB Chemicals and Aether Industries, and comparing their 1-year forward valuation, this particular IPO is expected to be around 36 times. That's actually implied, and comparing with the rest, then there doesn't seem to be much headroom when it comes to the valuations. But the anchor investors has already gone ahead and invested 252 crores into this particular IPO. So that's all about Blue Jet Healthcare IPO. Back to you.
All right, thanks very much for giving us all of those details. Slip into a quick break. Be right back.